Friends, in this video I'll be speaking to about what you have to let go from your life. And these things, if you let go, you have a wonderful and fantastic life, and you will be focused to what you want to gain and what you want to have in your life finally. So I have 5 things which you have to leave right now. Let go all these things from your life. Point number 1, that is TV. Watching TV, you have to let go. Getting more and more connected, or getting more and more addicted to the gadgets, I can say here. TV, most of the time, even though you watch it or not, it has to be on. There are many homes, they do this. As soon as they come home, they'll be in search of the remote and they just want to switch on the TV. No matter what, they're watching it or not, but it has to just run like that. It has to be there. It has to be like alive. The TV should be alive. So why are you so much dependent towards TV is my question. I understand entertainment is a need. Entertainment is, yes, we need it, but it's not always entertainment. Let go TV as much as possible from your life, because when you do that, you have a lot of time for other things in your life. Point number 2 is toxic food, or the food which makes your stomach really not good inside. Because when we eat something like a junk food or a spicy food, our internal organs will not feel good inside. They will give you a message that they're really upset inside. So just stay connected to your body organs, I mean. And when you think this is not working and you're not feeling good, because whatever you eat, finally you have to feel better and you feel active when you eat the food. It should not make you drowsy, or it should not make you lazy, or it should not make you to sleep, because the food has to be something related to your activity and activeness. So active foods which keeps you always energetic, I mean, that may be fruits, that can be vegetables, that can be fresh food, not at all the food which you buy outside. So try to avoid outside food and the junk food, the cheese, the butter. Once in a while, I understand the body needs some change, but not always. Do not make the junk food part of your life. So let go all the toxic or junk food from your life. When you do that, you stay active and just stay lively from in your life. Next is just let go all the negative thoughts from your life. Many of the people do this in their life. If anything goes wrong, they just feel world came to an end, and they feel I will just lose everything in my life. If you lose one thing, you think that you have a fear that you lose everything in your life. So these are the negative thoughts. Example, if you lose your job, you have a feel that you never get a job in your life. So these are the negative thoughts. I can give you an example here. So finally what I would suggest you as a psychologist is, please let go all the negative thoughts. Yes, something happens to us, yes, but that won't mean you have to keep thinking and just getting drained in the negativity and just living the negativity. So let go the negativity from your life. The next point is, let go who make you feel negative. The people, I mean, whoever is making you feel negative, whoever is making you feel down, I think you have to let go such people, or try to ignore, or try to give a minimal attention to them in your life, because they should not be a part of your life. Sometimes you can't ignore, I understand. So when you have an option where you can ignore them, when you have an option where you can just listen and leave it over there, so have a kind of relationship which is just a distant, not too close with the negative people. Sometimes we find such people at work, sometimes we find people around us, so we can't ignore always, but it's always good to just you make sure you are not getting affected from it. So finally, let go all the negative people from your life. And the last but not the least, let go all the lower emotions. The lower emotions, what I would say is, the lower emotions has the negativity more and the positive less. Like, if you just have a scale, happiness and excitedness and peace, joy, all these things come to a higher scale, and the lower grade scale will be something like sadness, anger, frustration, kind of irritation and guilt and fear. All these things come under the lower, and that gives you a lot of negativity. So just let go all the lower emotions from your life. So whatever negativity emotions which is connected to it, please let go it. If you have a guilt, just sort it out. Why you're feeling guilty? If you have anger, just sort it out and vent out. It's always advised to vent out the guilt, vent out the anger, and sort out the negative, the lower emotions as soon as possible from your life. So just let go all the negative thoughts from your life. If you do all these things whatever I've told, you will really live your life. Just not life, you will start living your life. So start living your life, just letting go all the 5 things whatever I've told. Thank you for watching my video.